Coaching about Angel nga rin, magandang development kanina. Nagsispike na siya sa practice after a few games na hindi. So, was there a chance na maglaro sana siya today? And ano lang yung status niya for the next game?
Maganda naman yung progress na recovery niya. So far na nagte-therapy naman niya siya. So, hopefully, makabalik talaga siya. Hindi man sa game sa UST, sa semis.
Sana na pwedeng ipasok siya today or hindi talaga nasa plano?
Wala pa sa
Lady Spikers for winning over the Ateneo Blue Eagles in straight sets. The Lady Spikers are now at 11-2 tied with NU and UST in first place. We have Coach Noel Herculio, M. Provido, Tea Gagate, and Shevana La. Coach Noel, congratulations for this victory. It's a straight set and it's a good carryover towards your game against UST on Saturday. Your thoughts about your
actually, sobrang ngayon nga, ang ganda ng bilang nila. Sobrang pulido, although may mga konting lapses towards the third set. Pero yung first two sets nakita namin, yun yung hinahanap namin yung game sa kanila. So, hopefully magtuloy-tuloy this coming Saturday para sa game against UST.
Today, you had 10 attacks and 6 blocks for 16 points. So, naglaro kayo ng sense of urgency today against Ateneo. So, gaano kahalaga itong panalo para sa team? Siyempre, naghahabol kayo sa top 2. Ano masasabi?
Siyempre, pinagtsagaan talaga namin to at mas nag-focus kami sa bawat laro kasi hindi naman basta-basta makukuha yung spot. So, kailangan talagang tsagain one game at a time. So, ngayon na tapos yung Ateneo, mag-focus mo namin sa recovery na Susperitas.
8 chefs, we have 12 attacks, 3 blocks, and 3 digs. So, what can you say about your team's performance today against Ateneo?
I'm just glad that I did contribute to the team. I'm also, proud of my teammates from the stats here. You can see that everyone did something. So I'm just glad that we're working together as a team and going into this last game as well as into finals. I'm really glad to see how we're performing, and I'm very excited to show everybody, we're the Lady Spikers and this is how we're
And you collected 7 digs, so gaano ka-importante itong panalo sa moral nyo, especially halos nasa finish line na tayo ng season? What can you say?
Actually, hindi po ako masyadong na-satisfied sa performance ko ba. Kasi alam ko naman yung mas bumibig ako. Pero sobrang proud ako sa pinakita ng team namin ngayon. Kasi yun nga, nakasunod kami sa sistema. And yun, malapit na po yung semis. And gusto namin tapusin ng maayos yung mga yung